Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see website recon and WHOIS enumeration. If the client has a website, we can gather basic information by simply browsing the website. So for this, we are taking example as Megacorp 1. So let's check out Megacorp 1 website and learn more about the target website. A quick review of this website is revealing that this is a nano tech company. Also, if we check the contact us page, we will get more information about their employees who are the current employees like a CEO and others. Then we are getting information about their email addresses, like the email addresses are always end with @megacorp1.com. You can see that here. This kind of information will help us for SQL injection or later part. So we need to collect this information and we need to take a proper notes. Also, we can see that the address of the particular website and other stuff. And next thing we are going to learn is the WHOIS enumeration. So what is WHOIS enumeration? Basically, who is a TCP service tool and type of database that can provide information about a domain name, such as name server and registrar. This kind of information is often public since registrar charge a fee for a private registration. Basically, it means that if you want to hide your information, then you need to pay some kind of fees. And if it is public, then we can easily access it. So let's check it. The command is WHOIS. The today's tool is WHOIS, and we can just give the target host name. So now you can see that the result is returned to us. Here you can see the basic information like domain name. If you just put the IP address also, then it will return you the DNS domain name, registered domain, then WHOIS server. This is not the useful information. Then last updated date, creation date, expiry date. This kind of information will help us if the large corporation have much more websites which are already expired. Then we can check it here and use uh, as our tool to create a backdoor to the main website. Then we can see that here are some servers, contact information, and then Megacorp. Or okay, this is the address. We get the same address from the contact us page. This is the postal code, and then main information is admin name Alan Feed. Then also again, this is the information about the admin name. Then tech name also the same. And if we check the contact page, is he present here? Yes, he is the IT and security director, and from here we got his email address. So we can use such information for the SQL injection in the later part. So basically, who is the very useful tool for the passive information gathering. Also for the WHOIS, we can instead of providing the domain here, we can simply give the IP address also. From it we can recover the information too. So that's it for the today's video. Hope you got some information. Thank you for watching this video.